Guys, good day. Today we're running with the Porsches. We've got a Porsche 911 with a dead battery. What a beautiful car. Convertible. And with this one, we are stranded because we can't open here the bonnet where the battery is located. And so we will have to go inside the car to get the battery open. So how we do that is, first of all, open the car, and then here at the bottom, let me just switch on the light quickly. In here, in the fuse box, we open this little cover. And once you've opened that little cover, you take out this little clip, and then as you can see there, we've got a little red thing with a bad bonnet opening. So we use that little clip just to grab hold of that red thing, and we pull it out. Now once it is out, we put our jumper cables on there, and we get power on the system. So that's how we get power on the system for a Porsche. Let's do that quickly. We're putting in a Supervolt 668 AGM battery. Now the AGM batteries are quite strong, and the reason we put the AGM battery in here is because this car needs all the power it can get. So alright, so what I'm going to do now is going to take the positive side, this side, and clip it onto that piece there. That side we go positive onto, oops, my finger keeps on going in the way. Positive on the battery, negative on the battery, and here we've got positive on that, and we got negative on the body. And let's see if we can get this key out. This key is one of those, when it's stuck, when the battery is dead, you can't get the key out. So let's just see quickly. Hold on a second. Alright guys, we've got it. Push that button on the key, and we've got the bonnet open where the battery is. And now you can take out the key. No, you can't. Still doesn't want to do anything, but at least the bonnet is open, and we can access the battery that is in the car. So now we're just going to take off this power that is here, and then we'll show you on the battery. Alright, so we got the bonnet, or the hood. We got it unlatched. Now let's just open it up, and the battery is underneath all of these covers. So we just lift all of that up, this side as well as that side. Lift it up, put it one side, and then here we find the battery. Okay, so what we're going to do on this battery, what we need, let me just take it, is we use a number 10 that side to loosen the battery, number 10 battery that side, and then underneath there we got a number 13, and there we got a number 13, and then that side there we got the hold down, which is also number 13, which we need to loosen to get the battery out. Alright, so let's get going. Okay, once that bolt is out, remove that plate as well. Okay, so now that battery is loose. Alright, so next one, what we're going to do is that number 13 down right there at the back. We're going to get to that one, loosen it, and take it off as well. Alright, so that one is loose. Now last one that we do is this one this side. Take that one out. Okay, so once we loosen that bolt, then we take it off.
Do you let go?
Yeah. Okay. Just be careful that it doesn't fall inside. Okay, so now you take that whole bracket and take it off. Brilliant, and we've got access to the battery. Alright, so now what we do next is we use the number 10 to loosen first the negative side and then loosen the positive side. It's those two. Always remember, guys, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Okay, so lefty loosey. Okay, and right. The positive side, lefty loosey. Brilliant. Okay, so take off that first the negative side. Okay, so now we're just going to remove the battery out of its place here. I'm just going to give it a pause and take it out because this is quite a big battery and quite a heavy battery. Okay guys, as you see, as I said, it's a massive battery, huge, and it's quite heavy, so lift it up straight, and then we're going to put in the new battery. Okay, right guys, now we are going to put in the new battery, which is a South African code 668. But this is quite heavy, and it's called an AGM battery, all glass matte battery. They can handle a lot more punch than any of the other batteries. Right, so now we're just going to go reverse gear. We're going to fasten the battery, put down all the clamps, and then put on the terminals and tighten the battery. Alright guys, so let's go, let's get cracking. So first we put that bracket in, the hole down, and push it to the front, make sure that hole lines up. Okay, and then we take the little bolt, that's it. There's the little bolt, put it in, and just tighten it a bit before we use the tools to righty tighty. That's right. Alright guys, so what we do is we just tighten that hold down clip down there. It's holding the battery into place. Excuse the shaking. There you go. Just tighten that, and now that's into place. So next thing is the bracket that goes on top of the battery. Let's do that quickly. I'm taking over from my daughter here quickly, because this is not the most easiest of places to work in. One there, one there. Okay. So first what we do, we go for the difficult one, which is right there at the back, into space, and we tighten it. And that is in place. Take the other one. Put that in place. On its place there, and we tighten it. Sometimes easier to hand tighten it first. Fingers can do a job very good. And we just tighten it there. That's fixed up. Next what we're going to do is going to put on the terminals of the battery to the side first. Put that on and we tighten it. tight. Then we got negative side. Add that on. Then we got light inside the goal. And that's it, that's fixed up. It's year of this lady walls. So the battery is in place. Let's just have a look quickly. This is a beauty of a car. Make sure that it's, the gears are off, everything is off, and then to put my foot inside. And just listen to that baby purrs. That's why they call it a Porsche. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Alright, so switch off again. Alright. See, we can if we want to. Put it into place again. That's as quick as it's supposed to be. Brilliant. Guys, thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, and share this knowledge. Remember, knowledge is power. Anything in life they can take away from you except your knowledge. And once you know how to do this, they can't take it away. So that's it. So now all that's left for us to do is just put the cover back into place on the battery. So the only thing that's left for us to do is just put that cover that we took off, just to put it back into place there, and that's it. This baby is ready for the next couple of 1,000 miles. Guys, thank you very much. Remember, as I said, to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. It helps us. It doesn't cost you a cent, but it helps us to grow this channel and to be able to give you guys more content like this. Have a wonderful day. Bye.